Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Loretta here again, and I'm here. It's me. Yeah, in today's video I'm serving you this colorful makeup look, and let's just get into it. So ignore me dancing over there because I had lots of fun filming this, and I needed to do just one thing for me. Okay, we need to hit 1k subscribers within the shortest possible time, so make sure you're subscribed before we even continue. Okay, just subscribe and also like and share this video as well because it will help my channel. Okay, all right, so let's go. So today's look, yes, I have already done my brows again, and we're going to take out colors from the BH Cosmetics taking it back to Brazil palette. It has lots of colorful shades, a whole lot of colorful shades, and I just love playing with colors, so we're going to do something interesting out of this, right? So to start off the look, I already used the NYX Jumbo Pencil in milk to prep my eyes. I feel you need to use a white base because if you're dark skin without a white base, it doesn't really work well. The colors don't really come out or stand out well, so I used a white base for this, and I'm just going to alternate between the two yellow colors in the palette for my transition, just to have a soft beginning to this look. So with this color, I feel you kind of need to add more and more and more before you even see anything showing, but it's cool, it's okay. I was able to manage myself around it, so it worked perfectly well. And just blend that in. I'm going to go in with this orange shade from the same palette, use it in my crease nicely. So just blend that out very well and make sure it's nice and clean. Then I also went in with the black eyeshadow in the palette, and I mixed it up with the orange eyeshadow just so we can have a nice consistency going on, because if you just put black there, it's not really going to look nice, like nice. So in a way you have to blend it out to have a nice clean eyeshadow look. So every time you're applying your black eyeshadow, you kind of have to blend it out a bit with a lighter shade of color. So that's just what I'm doing. I'm going back in with the yellow to blend out the harsh lines of the orange eyeshadow we have up there. So at this point, I'm just going back and forth with both the orange and the yellow eyeshadows, just so we can have something nice and clean. Else everything is going to look horrible. Okay. And I'm going in with the same black again to define the crease, so that you're going to do a cut crease, and you need that crease to be very defined after cutting it. So I'm just using the black over that side, and I'll blend it out. Yeah, so I'm using the orange to blend it out. Like I said earlier, whenever you use black eyeshadow, you should always have something to blend it out. And I'm going in again with the yellow to clean up the harsh lines. So now I'm using the NYX Jumbo pencil, the same NYX Jumbo pencil that I used to prime my eyes. I'm going to use that to cut my crease, and what I'm doing is just basically cutting the crease, you know. So I tap it on the lid and then raise my eyelid high up to see how far it can go. That would kind of set a barrier for me when I'm cutting the crease, or else I'll end up like overachieving it, if you understand what I mean. So I'm just extending the crease to the outer corner because I'm going to add some colors to that side, and I need a white base over there as well. So it's a full cut crease. So I'm going in with the white shimmery eyeshadow from the same palette. I'm using that for my inner corner, and I'll just apply it nicely to that side, and then move on. So what I did was to spray the brush first. I said it in my previous video, it's always good to spray your brush or wet your brush when you're using shimmery colors so that it would pop out nicely. So next I'm using the pink eyeshadow in the palette for the next side of the eye, of the crease, eyelid, I don't know. Yeah, so I wet the brush as well because that thing, I noticed it doesn't come off well, so I kind of wet it so that it would stain the eyelid, and then I'll go in with dry brush, the same brush, but I'll just make it dry, and then go back, use it again, just like what I'm doing here, just so it would pop out well. And for me not to have harsh lines, I'm using some of the shimmery color to just blend out the eyeshadow, and then I use this purple for somewhere close to the outer corner, so it would help when I transition into the darker shade. So I didn't use so much of the purple, but just a bit of it. And I will go in with the violet, which is the darkest shade I want to use for the outer corner. So we'll just pack it on and kind of blend it in to the pink and purple I used initially. So just try and blend that out very well so it turns out really nice, and then we move on. So for the next part, I used the same NYX Jumbo pencil to line my eyelids. I feel it was one of the most difficult things doing this step because I had to get a very thin and clean line, and it was quite difficult, but I was able to do it. So I used a flat brush to achieve this. I just kind of created a wing line with it, and then I'm popping on my lashes. I said earlier that the lashes I wear is the JLash in ABBA, so you can check it out if you want to. The lashes are so nice. I feel putting on lashes like this is just so difficult. Oh my gosh, why am I struggling so much with this? Okay, so we'll just move on and do the next eye and come back. So I did the next eye off camera, and I also finished my face off camera because I know you guys have a lot to do with your time. Okay, I don't want to waste your time so much. So I'm just extending the wing of the liner. I feel I don't know why I did this, but I feel it would be just nice to extend the wing. So yeah, that's it. How do you like this look? Already feeling it, like I feel it's so nice and cute. Not cute, it's so nice, like so dramatic, but it's really nice. So I'm just using my, what's this called? Oh my god. my brain. I'm using my highlighter, okay, to highlight my forehead, nose, and all the areas that need some glow, so you can blind everyone. Okay, just highlighting everywhere. I feel this look goes with very prominent highlights, so I did the most with my highlight today. I did the most, trust me, like I used a whole lot of highlights and it came out well. I really like it. So I'm really liking this highlight. Why the hell am I looking behind my camera? Whoa, this highlight is really cool. Hey guys, that's it for this look. I feel I nailed it. What do you think? Comment down below if you like this look. If you really like this look, make sure you share it. Like, you must share and subscribe, okay? So that's it. Just wait, let me show you how it looks, the outcome. Hold on a second. Whoa, the highlights, oh my gosh. Why am I putting on so much highlights? My god. So guys, that's it, the finished look. I used my lip gloss on my lip and everything is nice and clean. Oh my gosh, I'm liking this look already. You guys should tell me something. Did I nail it? Because I feel proud of this look. I feel proud of myself. I just feel I did the most seriously. I really like this look. Let me know if you like it too. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. If you have any video suggestions for me, just comment down below and I'll do it. I'm trying to release videos like 3 times in a week. It's quite difficult, but I'll try and do it. So let me know what you think of this look. Comment down below, like, share, subscribe, do all the necessary things that you need to do, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.